Everyone learns differently. How do I find the right school for me? Some students are left-brain linear thinkers who have no trouble sitting quietly in rows for 6 hours a day. But what do I do if I have ADHD or dyslexia or struggle with big class sizes? Sophia Academy is a small Christian school dedicated to awakening genius in students with language-based learning differences. We know that brains are plastic and that all students can experience cognitive growth. Sophia Academy provides a multi-sensory, hands-on college prep curriculum. Our science curriculum is 80% hands-on and lab-driven. We focus on discovery, experimentation, and authentic learning, whether building miniature catapults or dissecting frogs. Active learning continues in math class, where we can use blocks to factor polynomials in Algebra 1. And in history class, where we actually become archaeologists as we study ancient cultures. Visual and performing arts are embedded into every class. But Sophia students also all take music, art, and drama. Play is an integral part of the Sophia Academy Awakening Genius model, as is learning outside the classroom on frequent field trips, such as to the Natural History Museum, or Eastern University's Planetarium and Observatory. Whether learning to cane chairs or starting an urban farm from seed, Sophia students operate on both sides of their brain every day. Unlike traditional schools who give accommodations and modifications, Sophia Academy offers targeted interventions in reading and math. Sophia Academy will prepare you for college or career in a small family atmosphere. Are we the right school for you? Come check us out. You are invited to join us at one of our fall open houses, October 17, November 1, or December 7th. Make sure that you register ahead of time by emailing us or by calling us or indicating your interest on the Great Philly Schools website.